Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hanging heart. Really easy to make. You know me, I like to be with nature. I love sticks, and anything that I can make out of sticks I'm going to make it. So I decided to make something like this. It's really nice. It's a really nice chunky one because that's going to match my decor. But if you don't want it this thick, this one's 2 inches, but you can just make it 1 inch. I used a miter saw, but if you haven't got a miter saw, you can just use a saw. If you haven't got a saw, then if you get smaller sticks and just use your secateurs, and you can do the same project as I've got here. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So I've got my wonderful miter saw back here, and I'm just going to show you how I set it up so I can get the same size logs. Right, first of all, do not plug your miter saw in while you're doing any measurements down here, because we don't want any chop fingers off, do we? Right, so now that it's not plugged in, and I want each of my sections to probably be about 2 inches wide. So I'm going to bring the miter saw. This is why I told you don't plug it in, is because I want to put this right on the line, find out where my 2 inches are. I'm just going to put a little line, and I'm going to use a block and my glue gun. So I've put that there now. So when I put my piece of wood, I can just go to the side, and I will know exactly that that is my 2 inches. Now I've got lots of different sizes here that I'm going to use in the project. So all you need is just some long bits of wood. Make sure that everything is all safe around you, no pets, and put your safety goggles on. Now that's our 2 inches. Right, first of all, we're just going to draw a simple heart shape. This is like a template for your sticks. So then we can place these onto here, and we have like a guideline. Next, we're going to fill this heart in here with our little wood bits. So we're just going to start from the bottom, and we're just going to place it all in the heart. Next is to glue everything together. I'm going to start with these two. I'm going to just bind these ones together. But with this one, I'm going to tie some twine around this one, and this is to hang it up later. So this is going to go through the middle and tie it at the top, and that's how we can hang it. Now we just need to tie a knot at the top. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Leave in the comments below, because I'm thinking about whether to paint it, either paint it white or paint it cream, or just leave it natural. I'm in sort of 2 minds of what to do with it. Now it looks nice where I'm going to place it, but I'm just wondering if I should paint it. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.